Okay, good day to you, Mr. Plumber. My name is General Randall. I'll be the one taking you through the second phase of your recruitment.
Good morning, General Randall.
So, before I begin, I would like you to state your name and your in game level.
My name is Plumber Dan, and I am level 20.
Okay, perfect. Throughout this interview, I'm gonna ask you about 15 to 20 questions. I'll need you to reply in the space of 30 seconds, and failure to reply any question would lead to like a failure of that question. And if you fail up to three of those of the questions I'm gonna ask you, you have automatically failed the interview. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the question will be portrayed on the me chat, and I might read some for you to like. If you don't understand, you can like ask me, and I'll clarify my, with my mic.
Got it.
Okay, let's begin.
Plumber Dan, level 20. Yes, I was a part of the medic faction, and I left just because it was taken. It took a little while to rank up over there. I wasn't really liking my job, so I ended up leaving. Got a lot of discipline. I think I'm ready to be a part of the Linwood Army, help bring safety to these streets. Got a good work ethic and working on my gun skills, hoping to improve them here. Something I'm looking forward to joining the army. I'm on here every day, say at least 2 hours a day, at least. I just want to. I've never been up to the military base. I want to see how you guys run things around here. I think I'd be a good fit with all the other soldiers. Looking to be part of a family here. I think it just means looking out for my other soldiers and respecting the chain of command in the army, just following orders, never leaving a fallen soldier. Yes, sir. I will be there. I'll be there early. I am. Yes, I am. I would follow orders because my opinion doesn't matter. I gotta follow. I gotta follow the rules here. Yes, 18 plus. I'm 27. Level 5. I'm level 20, and I got no violations.
Um, just work on the weaknesses that brought to me.
I had to work on the weaknesses that brought me to that demotion. And try to just correct what I did wrong. Learn from my mistake. I have no further questions. Just hope this interview goes well, and I am part of the Linwood Army here. Thank you for your time.
Okay, 10 first, sir. I don't know if Sir Draco right here has some question to ask you.
All right.
Yeah, he did well. He did well. Yeah, for my opinion, I think he answered exactly the way I want him to. Like, yeah, he did well. And concerning showing him stuff in base, I'll personally take him for his base tour. Make sure he knows all the rules and regulations over here and stuff like that, sir.
Thank you, fellas.
Okay, now the camera is ready. I would like everybody to do the salute emote.
Do the salute emote.
Yeah. Yeah, it's taking.
Okay.
You said to salute one more time.
Yes, sir. Okay.